Determine the equation for the quadratic relationship graph below. This problem is very similar to a problem like 9, if you've watched that. And what we can notice from this particular picture is that the vertex of this problem is 1, and then the y-intercept for another point on this graph looks like it's 0, -1. So I have those written down on my paper already, and we're going to take those values and we're going to fill it back into vertex form, which is y equals a, and let me label here that this is h, this is k, this is x, and this is y. So we can fill these back in. Y is -1. We don't know what a is. X is 0, minus h, h is 1, plus k, k is -4, and I'm going to write -4 instead of +4, just to keep it a little bit simple, times -1 squared minus 4, and -1 equals a times 1. -1 times -1 is +1, minus 4. And we want to solve this, so let's add the... So now that we found a, let's rewrite the equation. It's y equals 3 times x minus 1 squared minus 4. Got to be able to see it. And what we have to do, once again, is we want to put this in standard form. This is vertex form. This is vertex form. We were able to put the vertex back into the equation. So this is vertex form, but we want standard form. So what we're going to do is we're going to write this out. X minus 1 squared. Squared means times itself. And we're going to have to multiply. What I'm going to recommend is that you multiply these two first, get an answer, and then we'll multiply by 3. So we'll start here. It's double distributive property if you prefer. FOIL is the other word. X times x is x squared. X times -1 is -1x. -1 times x is -1x. And -1 times -1 is +1 minus 4. You don't have to, but I'm going to combine like terms here. And we get 3 times x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 4. And then we're going to distribute equals 3x squared. 3 times -2x is -6x. 3 times 1 is 3. Like terms. We get y equals 3x squared minus 6x. Then we grab Edmentum and we fill in those values. If I can get you to see it here. So what did we say? 3. And then -6. And lastly, -1. -1.